and the new flower spreads wide, and I hear the birds recount through the branches their sweet song. He who wants to have worth and value must then choose and select such a one, that he does not lower himself for slanderer. For I have chosen to my sight, from Orient to the Colchian, I do not think there was ever born of a mother her equal in deed or in semblance. She is beautiful and of great sweetness, and I would much rather die. I do not hold it as a wicked pain when I am naked in her dwelling and hold and caress her sides. I know no emperor who could gather such great praise toward himself, or have more of fine love from it. These hoarders are wilf, evil talkers, sharp-tongued, who thought to draw me away from love. But if God will do my command, not one of them will be at the elevador. Those whom I heard Mark or Bruce say will suffer great burdens in hell. For I would be a fine lover if it were not for the roguish slanderers. But my lady knows little of changing for any lover, and she wishes to give me her love strongly, and to suffer the war and the anguish that the evil envious ones have over it. And die. All other affairs I abandon and leave. Alas, it is not right for a lover. Whoever puts a month into disdain. For January is worth hardly less than April and May, which are green and white. For love has value in all seasons, when it undertakes to enrich you, one must be worthy and gay.